I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Napa Valley here, the Suisun Valley, Lake Berryessa. And welcome our first POV ride on the new 23 BMW M1000R competition package. Let's get turned around. People are starting to come. Get past this guy on the boat. But we're going to do a bonus ride, a POV bonus ride. I don't know how good it's going to be. I still got a rev limiter on this thing, so bear with me. I promise you we'll have more exciting videos to come. So with that said, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of all these awesome videos that we're doing. If you just missed, we have a full build series planned for this bike. If you missed the video, I'll link it up above, and that's our plan for what we're going to be doing to this M1000R. But if you guys are new to the channel and you guys just hit that subscribe button, a bonus ride. I'm a vlogger and I talk while I'm vlogging, but some of you guys don't like that. I like it. I think watching videos that are just, you know, no music, no nothing, just riding, is kind of boring personally, but some of you guys like that. So with that said, I'm gonna shut my mouth and I'm gonna get to riding and give you guys a nice little ride back to Manka's Corner on the M1000 single R. All right, back to it. Bumpy, bumpy. Suspension's not been set up, by the way. Dave Moss is at AFM, so we're riding stock suspension, which is okay, but when we get to the bumps, starts to get a little bumpy. That might be it for us, you guys. This would have been, oh man, it would have been a sweet corner right there. Thank you. Coming through. Well, a little taster, you guys. Just a little taster, I guess. I'm really bummed that I've got to get out and hit up Lake Hennessy and Lake Berryessa. You know, Hennessy's my jam, but it's inconvenient because I have to drive all the way around to get here, and this is basically the closest twisty road. That's why I've been riding it lately. You know, usually I go up to the glory hole and I've got spots up there that I can hit, but it's such a long trek over here to hit this spot of road. So, but thank you guys for watching. Just a little bonus ride. Oh, we got something else, huh? Is she something more, maybe? Not sure I'm gonna get much more out of it. Beautiful day. We've gone, this is like the first 80-degree day I've seen this year. I love it, love it, love it. Man, once I get those brake pads on, they're going to be so much nicer. These pads aren't bad, but they're just, I like brakes. Let me tell you, I love brakes. I'll get people on the brakes. If you guys watch my track videos, you know I love braking people. We'll be out at Buttonwillow Raceway with Let's Ride on May 8th. So stay tuned. Stick moved a little bit. But let's go ahead and pull back over here. We're back to square one. Nice shade. Here we go. How's this? Sorry, bud. I'm going to bark in your spot for a second. All right. Well, here we are. Oh, it didn't move too much. Or did it? Oh, it did. Oh, it fell down one. I ordered a new selfie stick. This sucks. So, thank you guys for sticking around. The all-new 23 BMW M1000 competition. Excuse me, yeah, M1000 competition. Love this bike. I love it. I can't wait to get the rev limiter off and all the mods done to this thing. It's going to be pretty quick, so stay tuned. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content. So thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.